Here I have Blackview BV6600, and today I'm going to show you how you can remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately you forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So what can you do in this kind of a miserable situation? Firstly, you have to turn your Blackview off. After it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. But after the screen turns on and you can see Blackview logo appeared, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. Then menu appears. Here in this menu you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then confirm it by selecting Factory Data Reset, and after a few seconds the message Data Wipe Complete appears, and after you see this message you have to select the first option Reboot System Now to restart your device. So let's select it and it will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.